First add clip on timeline and create adjustment layer, and drop on upper layer of the main clip, adjust duration of the adjustment layer. Go to Effects menu, search Transform, and drop on Adjustment Layer. Select Adjustment Layer and go to Effect Control. Uncheck Uniform Scale and increase the value of height and decrease the value of width. Also rotate up to 30 degrees, and under Transform, increase the scale. For Add Animation, move cursor to the first frame of the adjustment layer, turn on stopwatch of position, and remove effect position out of frame to the top left, and on last frame remove on bottom right. Make 2 copies of adjustment layer and readjust the values of each layer for better results.